Eric is going to play log skidder today. We've got a project going out on, I believe it's the White Trail.
Yep.
Well, we're down here for another work weekend. Last one before our big memorial event. And they're out on the trails creating some obstacles. And we got word that they needed some telephone poles. So the tow truck is on log skidder duty, or pole skidder duty, whatever you want to call it. We're dragging some telephone poles in for them to put on the hills to enhance the obstacles. Time for another run. Couple more poles.
What are you looking for, Abby?
This so I can see how deep this hole is.
Ah, okay.
You don't want a stick that's like on the side and put it in like this, so then you're not gonna tell how deep it is. You want to put it in like this. See the difference?
You hit bottom?
Yep. About that deep.
How far? Put your finger where...
About-
Okay.
So right about
12, 15 inches deep.
almost knee high.
Knee high. Miss Abby's going over and trying to
You
get a
gotta touch
different
both
perspective.
You
She's
gotta
by
touch
the
both
tree.
sides so you can tell which side's better. So you can know what way you need your vehicle to go. So this side, it's only about to there.
Aha.
That's slanted, so you can't use that.
How much mud?
About to there.
Holy moly.
It's very soft mud.
Ah, it'll get churned up next weekend, that's for sure.
Then over here, it's not that deep.
That might be the bypass. Or was the bypass. Who knows?
So what's the now plan?
Well, we're gonna go get some more poles for some different hills. Play log skidder or pole skidder. We're gonna keep playing that for a while.
Sure.
What'd you think, Eric?
Well, looks like they need a few here to keep the main trail from washing out.
I think so. You had a heck of a dip when you came in.
Yep.
Anything like out in Utah?
No, it's soft dirt, not rocks. Rather than drag more poles out to this hill, we decided to use some of the natural material that was standing around. Dead, of course.
Fall down, go crash.
Just so you guys know, this is a very old forest. There's dead trees all over the place, standing and on the ground. We don't cut any live ones that aren't in our way and that are bigger than, oh, say 4 or 5 inches.
Eric, that's another fine mess you got us into.
Yep.
Eric?
We can fix it.
Come on, jump rope.
I don't know about that. We can do the double dutch.
Come on, just jump rope.
Now we got some logs to put into place to help with erosion on this hill. Well, we got called off of dragging poles duty to help change the tire on the 5-ton 6x here. Maxed out on the jack again?
Yeah.
Alright, Gene's getting the other one. Alright, Scuba says he wants some poles out at Hot Rod Hill. So we're taking a load out there.
Yep.
Looks like Scuba found a tree while he was waiting for us to bring the poles. Well, it's Sunday. We're back on pole skidder duty. Yep. Weekend's almost done. We're just putting up some new signs now. Thanks for watching. Keep wheeling. Be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods.